So till now we have created our edit to show our book details on model after we click this edit button. So in this video we're going to work on our functionality, edit functionality. So let's go back to our home page and let's inside this edit model. So we will give our button in update update book ID, and let's copy. No, we're not going to copy this. So since updating our book details is going to be similar to this save book functionality, so we will copy exact same question and we will say update book ID. So after the update book is clicked, then we're going to send our request to the book.php, and our form ID is edit book form. So let's copy this, and inside the our edit functionality, update functionality, we will paste it here. So yeah, and we will also say let's copy. We are closing our form at the wrong place. So after the model footer, we are going to we have opened it inside the model button, and so we're going to close it below the model footer. So okay, so we'll here, and we will name our button as a update button btn. Okay, so when a user clicks the update book button and update book button, the model should submit the request. So we will check inside the, now we will go back to our home book.php page, and we will again check for the if is set, if our form is submitted or not. So we will check our post request, and let's say let's var dump our post request. So this is just for testing. So this will allow us to see if our request is being submitted. So let's press this button. So book details saved successfully. So yeah, now this is the since we need to edit our record or whatever done. Okay, so I think this is working, so let's just remove this for now, and so this worked because the update book. Okay, see if you refresh it. Okay, so this book where so we have some errors here, so we'll fix it, don't worry. Okay, so when we go here, so we're getting this book title. So we're going to name our book title a update book title. Okay, so update book title. So now it's even work that way. So let's refresh it. Let's go to this one. If I press okay, let's clear our network section here. So as you can see, we are getting back to our so we're not getting any response. So I think we are not being our book.php is not working. So let's go here and okay, we can also test for book ID. If book ID works, and we will print our post error. So okay, so this should work now. And if I refresh it, if I go to edit book, it's getting me the book record. If I save it, if I press it here, if I okay, so it's not getting me any data anyways, no problem. So let's go back to index.php and check. So okay, book ID, so we're of having this book ID, and okay, this is why, because we're not having book ID name here. So let's save this. Let's go back to our page. Let's refresh it and let's edit. Click edit once again. Let's save it. Save, and as you can see, we are sending our data successfully. So that's how we do it. Let's close this for once, and okay. So if I go back to our book.php, now we're getting here. So now I will say update book, and I will call a function using book object, update book function. So with this function, I'm going to send the data. So let's copy this method name and create one method here. So public function, and the method name should be update book, and variable should be post. Now firstly we will have our data here. So book book title should be there should be book ID. Book ID should be book ID, and let's copy this for 4 times, 3 times, and now we will have book title, and our book title name is update book title. So copy this, let's go back and paste it here. And thirdly, we will have book description. Copy this, paste it here. Lastly, we will need author. copy this and paste it here. Okay, so now we'll create one query. So inside query we will say update books, set book title equals to book title, and book description equals to book description, and author equals to author, and there should be where statement where book ID is equals to book ID. So let's run this and result this. Let's get the database connection. Let's run the query function, and this is the SQL, and if the data is updated, then we're going to return a array inside the JSON encode method, and so they should be inside the array. Type should be success, and message should be book details updated. Okay, so or else we will also going to return a string, and type should be fail, and we will say message unable to update book details. Okay, let's save this and let's go back to our if statement, and let's echo the update book string here so that we can get back to our here. So after we have performed it, then we're going to rest of the code should be same. And so let's go and check our program. So if I refresh it, so if I want to edit it, so let's say there is volume 2. If I click save this, book details updated successfully, book details updated. So let's close this and refresh it. So our query is working, but the others that we need to work on is we need to hide this model. So copy this and come back here and paste it here. Okay, so after this append delay fade out slow functions. So we're going to reload. Okay, so let's check it once again. If I refresh this, So let's say volume 3 is there, and if I save changes, book details updated. So one thing is that our page is not being reloaded. Okay, let's also should be here, and so add class alert success, append, and delay fed out slow function. Location reload. So I don't know why this code doesn't work. It's not working. Reload. Okay, we'll fix this issue in the next episode. So in this episode we updated our details. So thank you guys for watching, and keep watching and keep learning, and keep subscribing, keep commenting. Thank you guys.